Hello, this is Meshell Baker, Vision Mastery Strategist, and I'm here today with value tip number 12. And the word is wisdom. And wisdom is the quality of having knowledge, experience, and good judgment. And I really enjoy that because it's not just one or the other, it's all of them. So when you have the experience, the things that we go through in life, and then you couple that with knowledge, and that's some book learning, it's some information you get off the internet, or however you discern or decide to get your knowledge, you can acquire it. So you put the two of those together, and then you actually are more apt to make good judgment and decisions. And that requires deciding based on where you want to go. People who have a tendency to make emotional choices, things when they feel, I feel, that's not wisdom, because feelings are fleeting and they change at the drop of a hat. Having discernment or wisdom to make decisions based off of what you know to be true, your experiences, and where you want your life to go, that's wisdom. So this is Meshell Baker, Vision Mastery Strategist. Have a wonderful evening, and remember, you are blessed to be a blessing.